Now, why do we do Visarjan? The word we means Vishesha, Sarjan means creation. So it is actually an act of dissolution, but it is a special creation. How is it a special creation by dissolution? See, every creation is preceded by dissolution. If there is destruction does not happen, creation will not happen. If the seed does not die, the sapling will not come. If the flower does not die, the fruit will not come. If childhood does not die, teenage will not come. So this destruction and creation are simultaneous and they follow one another. So when Bhagwan from the unmanifest form, he leaves the unmanifest form, comes into manifest form. So the destruction of the formless as though happens and manifestation of the form happens. Then one worships the form for 5 days, 10 days, and then that form we dissolve into the water and again it becomes formless. So the dissolution is a special creation. Means what? The seeker's mind, the Murti of Bhagwan helps the seeker's mind to become single pointed, to invoke surrender, to ensure that the mind becomes purified. And in that purified mind, there is a creation of knowledge that I and that Ganesha are one. Tvam Sakshad Atmasi Nityam. That realization happens to the seeker. That the self in me is the self in the Lord and the self everywhere. There is only one supreme consciousness, that is the self. So that special knowledge that rises is what makes that devotee one with the Supreme. And then the form, with lot of joy, one dissolves the form. Because now the form is no more required, oneness is experienced. So that is Visarjan, special creation. How? The creation of intuitive knowledge of the self. So that is one meaning. Second meaning is also very beautiful. And what is that? Our form comes to us from nature and it goes back to nature. Our body is Prithvi Pradhan. It is made of earth. You see, Devata's body is Agni Pradhan. The ghosts and other creatures, they are Vayu Pradhan. Then the aquatic creatures are Jal Pradhan. So like that, each species has a certain element which is predominant. Our body is predominantly made up of earth. So Bhagwan Ganpati also in traditional days was made only from the raw earth. No plaster of Paris, no harmful materials. From the mud, the Murti of Bhagwan is created. Mud by itself is also formless. Then the form is created. And the Visarjan happens in water. So again the form dissolves. We can do destruction in any other way also. There are so many ways to destroy. But why only in water? Because this whole creation also goes into dissolution at the time of Pralay through water. So what happens in the Samashti also happens in the Vyashti. So with water, one dissolves, water also purifies. So the Murti goes back into water. So the body which is made from earth will go back to earth. Each one of us has to remember that did I realize the Tattva inside or not? The body came from earth, body will go back to earth. The mind came from the 5 elements, mind will go back to 5 elements. Who am I? 10 days when the person has worshipped Lord Ganesha, all the obstacles to ignorance, 6 impurities, wandering of the mind, ignorance of the self, all are removed and the person realizes oneness. So that is what Visarjan is. And recently there was this beautiful video where people have been worshipping Lord Ganesha in Ghana. In that, they said such a nice, lovely thing about Visarjan. They said that we pray to Lord Ganesha and we dissolve the form in the water, and this water pervades the whole earth. And it is that water which actually evaporates, becomes the clouds, goes somewhere else, and it rains also. So our wishes for the well-being of everybody And that may Lord Ganesha remove everybody's obstacles. They travel far and wide across the whole world and benefits everybody. That's such a nice way to look at it. And the second thing they said was that he is the one who removes all our obstacles. So he has taken all our problems, obstacles, and he has gone into the ocean and our problems are dissolved. So that gives us strength, that gives us confidence to face our life with much more energy, enthusiasm, dynamism. So that is the significance of the Visarjan. Bolo Siddhivinayaka Swami ki jai.